Just a quick video to show you that it is possible to fit a few different types of cameras into the Helix. Traditionally the Helix only fit the HS1177 due to this space here. We've found that you can fit one of the new Predator cameras in if you add the bracket, but you only put one of the screws in. And then the reason for that is you need this back hole here slightly offset, and if both screws are in, it's just too far away and you won't be able to get it in. Anyway, it's not a perfect fit, but as you can see from this one here, we've got it to fit with the standard 1.8mm lens. It's only got one screw going into the bracket and then one screw going into the camera. So on each side there's only two screws holding it, but the lens and the camera itself is wedged in so good between those standoffs, I don't think it's going to be an issue. When you pop this screw in here, don't do it up tight. Alright, leave it loose, assemble the whole pod on the Helix itself ready to go. Get all those screws into the standoffs in first, and then do your camera screws up last. You'll find if you don't do that, they sink into the recess and it offsets your camera and your camera ends up being crooked. Alright, so leave those screws till last. Added a little antenna off the side here, which we're testing at the moment to see if we can keep it out of hits.